Alright guys, so today we have this beautiful 2025 Yamaha R7 in all of its stunning glory. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Let's go ahead and get this all tied up together. So this is Yamaha's, I think it's 699 parallel twin, 6 speeds. Super fun ride. Sport bike special. Let's get to it. All right. Get it started and going. All right, let's do this. Oh God, I can't do this with this phone in my pocket. All right. Tell me more. All right. Over here. Now these things are super tame, super well behaved. I am fucking humongous for this thing. Good. I should also get rid of some of the lights and this is let's touch on zoom today. I'm actually going to try to do the 4.5 this time. I try to do the split. It's such a weird ladder track to see how you feel. Down. Ooh, stalled it. Oh, I didn't put my foot down though. Ah, that was awesome. Those are the things kind of crazy. Oh, nice. I really don't like how cranked up I am. When you're a little bit bigger like this, it's such a tough. I mean, I guess that's about once you get through the whole thing, you know? it's just super quick. And then you know I do this a lot slower. And do a couple rounds. I haven't done it R7 in a while. I've really done it R7 here, another danger bag. And then you see how the thing goes. It's pretty good. Not terrible. Not that needed. They do steer a little bit wide, I feel like. But you also ride nice and sure. I don't really freak out by whatever that is. Well, around. Boom. So you can see very nice and nimble. Very easy. Just a little bit of tail braking. All good. No worries, no concerns, no fuss. Just no nonsense. Right to her, get her done. See if we can get her home. Imagine the guy who wants to. I do appreciate that they have that nice big scoop tank to be up in the especially fast and slow. We're along with traffic right now, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to necessarily stop this out. We might be able to get 7 minutes. Yeah. Just because the R7 is very well behaved doesn't mean that it's not going to kick their ass on the street. Definitely not to scare the shit out of anyone human being. You know, especially if you don't know what they're doing. But it's also fairly new that you can get acclimated to it where you're not like, oh no, there's boys in the world, or oh no. Terrifying. You can very fast traction control on that shit. Yeah, brakes on it, they're good. This is wonderful. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. Little cost. I still want to say 7.5 or I mean, between 7.5 and 8 all day. Very solid mid-range machine. Very well handling. Very well done. Maybe a little overrated, maybe a little underrated. Just depends on the circumstances, but it's a whole lot of fun. Really, you can't go wrong with it, even if you try. so much thankful. Right? Yeah. What are you talking about? All good things take time. Pretty dang nimble. You say so myself. Okay. Yeah, I would say 7.5 or 8 out of 10. Solid, every day. Beautiful and black. You can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with the price. All right. So again, all right, again, 2025 Yamaha R7, beautiful machine.